house. Everybody got your back until somebody gun you down. Talking all the gangster shit, now they scared to make a sound. Niggas say they had your back, and now they scared to come around. All at your funeral, hugging your baby mama. Been fucking up for years, but kept the shit on the under. Your soul leave your body, burning in the abyss. Every night a different image of niggas fucking your bitch. Reality rap, I'm a poet when I spit. People that think they know me be like, who the fuck is this? Every time I step up to the mic, you know that's real life. Rock the same thing for 10 years, you know that's